Folks, shizzle my nizzle. You know, school maniacs, we are trying to solve a problem. Why one pack of gum is so hard to open.
I wonder why. Let's find out.
Beep beep about.
Ah! Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Ah!
And that didn't even work, man. God. Dude, I got a great idea. I know how to it'll open. I know how it'll open.
Oh my God, dude. Are you serious?
Yes.
Dude, that's not gonna work. You're a freaking idiot.
Oh. Okay, let me get it.
I think I just found a way.
Red! Can you open this for us, buddy? Can you?
Oh no!
Dude, I don't think he's smart enough.
I'm not that smart, man. Let's
Red,
go find
you
something
suck.
else.
This one has to work. Nope.
Did not work.
This is my last resort.
Dude,
Dude, I think I got a great one.
dude, but wait, man. I don't see how we're gonna get this open. Wait, the gun wrapping master. Lacey!
She is master.
She's the one who puts the wrapper around the gum. She has to know. Lacey!
Guys, is Forrest doing his homework right there? Just look.
Yeah.
Thank you. We got it. Now, for a slice of this awesome